Everyone, and welcome back to the dimensions. During our project, sometimes we need to order material exactly at the amount and share the project detail with other client. So this video in under 10 minutes, I will going to tell you how to create easily project report and material list in Tekla Structure. So stick around it till the end of this video and don't forget to check out our previous video to see more about this project. So let's move in. As you can see, this is our small tower that we already created in a Tekla Structure, and about this video, if you want to see how to create a wireframing, shear and moment connection between the beam and column and bracing connection, then you can go through our previous video in our channel. You can find out. So today we are going to create a detailed report. In this report we will find how to create a Tekla structure report in for the assembly and a beam. Also we can create a report for the number of bolts that we require to assemble all these beam and columns. So friends, first of all we need to number all the member. Here you can find the number setting. If you going to start numbering first time, then you can go through the initial numbering, and if you already created and numbered all this member, then you can go through the after creating drawing, then apply OK, then you can go to the perform numbering. If you want to create the number in a series, then first select the object, then go through the number for option. And if you already created numbering in this project, then you can go through the number modified object. For all this command, we need to select all the member. So if you want to create a detailed report about the member which are connected in a plan only, then we need to select only floor plan, then go to the reports. Here we have a lots of options to create a report, but we are going through only TS assembly list. Go to the option and select this one with associated viewer, then select this .xls file TS assembly list and click on the create from selected. Click on the yes, and here you can find the detailed report about assembly as marked in our structure. So this one is our A6 to A46 member, and detail about the profile, name, total area, net weight and gross weight. All these things are given here. The total weight of this plan member is near about 6 ton. And similarly you can go through the material list, which is in .xls file format. So select create from selected, then again click yes. Here you can find the detail about the part, and the total weight of this member is around 4 ton. Here you can find the profile of the member, and the total number of quantity that we required is around 12, and the total weight you can also find here. So this is about the part. And in the similar way, if you wanted to create a report of all this tower, then select the whole tower, again go to the report. Here we also select the part and component options, so that we can able to create the detailed report about bolt. So go to the TS bolt list and select create from selected, So this is our bolt list. Dia 20 and length is also given, as you can see, 50 and 45. The total quantity 18, 8, again 18, 2, 2, and the net weight of this bolt are also given here, which is around 3 kg. You can also create here the shipment list. One of the benefit of the creating shipment list, you can see here, we can have an option to create the total number of length of individual member. So the maximum length you can see here, it's around 10 meter. So you can plan the shipment to transfer your whole structure from one place to other. This data will be helpful for you. Here you can also find out the individual assembly list and the total weight along with the length of assembly. So this is all about creating the bill of material of this project. Friends, if you like this video, then please share with your friends and hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you coming first time in our channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much.